Hi, my name is Heather, and this is my Screencast-O-Matic video, and I will be going over my Weebly portfolio and my Webquest. This is my home page on my Weebly page. Gives a little introduction, and this is a picture of me with my horse, Hooligan. Next, I have my biography page, which gives a little insight of my biography from when I was younger till today. The word assignments page has my one word assignment for this class, which was a lesson plan. The Excel assignment page is the Excel assignment for the lesson plan as well. The PowerPoint assignment is the one PowerPoint in this class, which was also a lesson plan. Under More, we have the Webquest assignment. Here it has a link that I created a Webquest for third graders. And if you click the link, it takes you to that Webquest. I decided to do the lesson on the 4th of July because one of the Idaho standards for curriculum is understanding holidays within social studies. So I did the 4th of July. This is my welcome page. Next, I have a brief introduction about the lesson. Under task, it gives, again, a brief introduction on what the assignment will be, and right in here it has all the requirements that will be going into the Word document that the students would submit to me. Under process, it is a more detailed image or detailed explanation of all the things that the students will be doing. Questions 1 through 7 they do on their own. Then it tells them how the next questions they need a partner. And then questions 8 through 9 they do with a partner. And then the last little section tells, again, just an overview of their Word document that they will be submitting. Down here is the YouTube link for a 4th of July video. Under evaluation, it gives a rubric that the students would be graded on with their score total on the side. Under conclusion, it just concludes what the students should have learned about the 4th of July, that it was a major day in history and why we celebrate it today. And under teacher page, it gives information on, the first part is my advice to other teachers who would like to use this. Then it gives the Idaho content standards. And then under credits, I just put that all images were taken off Google Images and are not my own images. Then back to the Webquest. Under other examples, there is a video that is about a classroom technology assignment I did, which I did one on Parlay, which is a discussion board website that teachers can use, and this is my YouTube video for it. And the last section is the Screen-O-Matic video, which is where the link to this video will be.